Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. This week we had a Swiss franc against Japanese yen on the 4-hour time frame. We had a bearish bad pattern formed here. Inside gold membership, inside the Telegram group, I have shared this information with the traders that this bad pattern, which is a bearish one, is in line with the trend because we had a downtrend formed, and after I have made a technical analysis, which means putting these horizontal support and the resistance lines, which means where the price is bouncing and also where the price could stop. I have formed this technical analysis by moving this stop loss a little bit above this resistance and leaving the take profit and also take profit 2 levels. We can see that several days, for the 2 days, the price could not move further on, and then finally the price continued to lose its value, going in the direction of the bad pattern, reaching first take profit and then also second take profit. This is something I have shared inside Telegram group with the traders, with the gold membership, how the prices reached the take profit level, and we can see the risk reward 4.43. A bad pattern was successful, a profitable one. So if you have not joined still gold membership, feel free to join, and also join Telegram group where we can discuss all this. And whenever I see this pattern format on the Harmonic scanner, I will share that and you will receive updates. So for now, if you are using Harmonic scanner, you can also have monitor tab and also notification tab where you receive informations all about the patterns. If you have not joined, feel free to join. You have also 7-day free trial, so you can try for yourself. This monitor tab shows you a list of all patterns that you have defined which you would like to track. Inside the settings, you can make the filters which of these time frames, which asset classes, and also which patterns you would like to use. When you click on one of them, immediately this table below populates with all patterns you have selected. I have selected only bad pattern in Cypher. When I add shark, you will see it is populated here when it is detected. So for example, we can see that here. So whenever you click on one of these patterns on the chart, it will show here. Then you have a security, also a settings where you can filter much more detail which symbols you would like to have. And I have selected only a major. And all of these symbols and also the patterns are listed below when the Harmonic scanner detects one of the patterns that you have selected. So I have selected EURUSD for the Cypher, and you can see it is status successful, which means it's already finished. It is a profitable. These ones are failed ones. So when I click on one of these rows, immediately the chart will open with this pattern listed here, and you will see what are the targets, stop loss, and so on. So the price after reaching the entry level, which is a blue line, it has reached a take profit 2, which is a second green line. First green line is take profit 1. Red line represents a stop loss, so the price did not reach the stop loss. This one was profitable. If we go to the next one, which is a failed, we can see it is a failed one because the price has reached at the entry level, which is a blue line, but it has reached also a stop loss before reaching the take profit 2. So whenever the price moves from the entry level in the stop loss direction, activates stop loss, this is a failed pattern. But if the price from the entry level immediately goes to the take profit 2, not touching the stop loss level, it will be a successful one. So let's move further on. I will remove these one. I would like to have only 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame because I like to use only higher time frame, much more reliable, and also it is easier and it is slower pace to make the analysis during the day. 1-hour time frame, it is much faster and quicker, so if you would like to receive updates much more quickly, feel free to use also lower time frames. Then you have here a notification tab where you can also make the filters, settings, which of these patterns, on which time frame, on which symbols you would like to receive notification on the Telegram. So you can also activate Telegram bot to send you a notification whenever the Harmonic scanner detects one of the patterns on the symbols you have defined. So for example, I have here GBP against ZAR. I have received notification that there is a bearish bad pattern. A red arrow is for the bears, green arrow is for the bulls. This column says it is a bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame, which has the entry level at this price level. The target 2 will be here and the stop loss will be here. And the risk reward ratio will be here, and also the date and the time when this pattern has been detected. So when you click on this one, you will immediately go to the chart the chart will show you what are these levels, what is the stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2, and you can also here see all the details about this pattern. So if you would like to make the analysis, you can make the analysis. You can add more indicators if you would like, or to make the technical analysis with support and resistance levels. Then you can, if you confirm the pattern is in line with the technical analysis or any other analysis, you can continue using and also trading this one. If not, you can skip this one and wait for another one. For example, this week I had CHF against Japanese yen, which was successful. I have shown you at the start of the week, and for the rest of the days there was no pattern that is in line with the trend, which means I will say, just for sake so you understand how I am trading, whenever the pattern has formed on the chart is in line with the trend. That means if we have a downtrend, then if the pattern has formed as a bearish pattern indicating further decline, which means in line with the trend, this is the first step. This is the filter I use. If the price is moving sideways, like in this example, and this bad pattern is showing it is a bearish one, which means there is no any trend that will complement this pattern. So I skip this one. I will not use this one. I will wait for another one, because the scanner sends me lots of these patterns. We can see that here inside notification, that each day there are several patterns sent over Telegram, and there will be probably opportunities. And especially if you have lots of these opportunities, and if you skip all of them, it is better to skip them and protecting your account than just opening for the sake opening the trade and losing the money on your trading account. This makes no sense. It is the better to wait for the special ones which will be successful and profitable. And what I have shown you at the start, CHF against Japanese yen, I will open this one here again. We can see it was in line with the trend. The trend was down, the pattern was showing down, and I have made technical analysis just to confirm these levels, and when I have done that, I have increased the chances of being successful. And when it is successful, I get 4.43 reward to risk ratio, which is a great one. So if I am risking $100 of this stop loss, then I have won 4 times more, which is $400 with this trade. So it is best to wait for these profitable ones, which has increased chances of being profitable, then opening on each of these and losing each of these with a stop loss, risking 1% or 0.1% of your trading account. This makes no sense. So it's better to wait 1 per week or 1 per day and make the trade which is profitable to bring you profit on your account of several percentage if you are trading like that, if you have this risk management. So feel free to check the gold membership, where you get the access directly to me over the Telegram, and also receive no updates of these whenever I see Harmonic scanner detects one of the patterns that is in line with the analysis I am making. So feel free to join. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.